unusual, it's colorful, and it's friendly. Yeah.
And I really enjoy it. It's so nice, and just I'm seeing different arts here and also clothes from, I assume it's from Ukraine, right?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful, I liked it. And I've tried another one outfit. I took a couple of pictures from that. It's so nice, yeah.
Challenges, I think, for me, it's probably the cultural differences, I guess. I miss home a lot. I miss people from Ukraine. But people here are really kind. They would always help me too. But I do miss Ukrainian people.
This kind of events, wherever you go, you meet different people, especially since I'm here in UK, and I met like, it's in this kind of event, once we had in Warsaw event, and so I met some Ukrainian there, and also it's the third one that I'm meeting Ukrainian people.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so nice to meet people from all around the world and know about their culture, which kind of clothes they're wearing. Yeah. It's so nice. Yeah, that's especially this art show here, and I can see clothes and different arts around the wall here. I really love the arts, and also, yeah, it's so nice to be here.